Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become there for you guys. Today's video, it's a little bit different. As you can see, it's extremely dark. Guys, you're gonna hear the rain. We are under a tornado warning or whatever. So it's raining. The tornado supposed to come through in about an hour or so, and I have to make my video. I have to get it going. So today is mini Monday. You guys, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, but actually I have some ones. So $22. Yeah. So $22 today to play with for mini Mondays. So let's see how it goes, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm a little bit scared. It is very, very ugly outside. I don't know if you can hear it, but let's go ahead and get started. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Did you guys do anything fun for the weekend? Let me know. Oh my gosh, if only you could see the outside, how gleamy. Oh my gosh, it's like dark gray outside. Oh my goodness. Okay, but yeah, so I hope you guys had a great weekend. Hopefully you guys did something fun. If not, hopefully you rest and had a relaxing weekend. So we're gonna do mini Mondays. This is my mini Mondays. Hopefully everybody gets a little bit of love. So this is from In a Banana Budget, that first one. This one is from Budget with Amanda. It is the cute little Hello Kitty. Ooh, it is lightning. This one is from In a Banana Budget as well. So we got two of hers. This is from Katie. Okay, we're almost done with that one, you guys. Oh my gosh, let's hope we finish something today. Okay. Ooh, y'all hear that? Last but not least, we have Life with Me. And then, I'm just kidding, not last but not least. This one is the last one. This one is from me, budgeting my debts. Okay, so there is everything for today for mini Monday. Let me actually fix this so we can take a cute thumbnail. I'm trying to make this go faster because, you know, it is very ugly outside, but I need to record. If not, your girl's gonna spend her money. I love to spend money. You guys know that. Yeah, okay. Hold on, it looks a little bit crooked. Oh, crooked. Okay, let's take a cute thumbnail. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, cheese. All right, guys, let's get it going. Let's see how much we save. Oh, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and everybody's gonna get a little bit of love. Okay, now let's start it. Oh my goodness. Okay, just kidding. Let's redo that one. All right, we got a 1. All right, awesome. We are starting off with number 1. We have number 3. So far, everything here has a long way to go to finish, because if you're new here, I started a new video, which is called Lucky Sunday. So basically, on Sunday, I'm going to pull out any saving challenge that is super close to get done and get finished. Every Sunday we're gonna put it out, and it's gonna try its best to see if it can win so it can get done, so I can finish challenges faster. So yeah, so most of those are not gonna get done, I don't think, besides maybe this one. But as you can see, we're not getting it, which is number 4. All right, let's see. Wow, lately, you guys, we've been getting number 6. And OMG, it's been playing with us for sure. All right, when we need number 1, we don't get number 1. Do y'all see that? When we need the number 1, we don't get number 1. Oh my gosh. All right, 3. Oh my gosh, finally. 4. Another 4, please. Let it be. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so ugly outside. Especially with the window down. It looks so ugly. I mean, with the curtain open. Okay, number 6 got the last one. All right, guys, so let's do this one. So this one got $1, and we can do $1, which was gonna be that one. Oh my gosh, you guys, this video is so different. So sorry, this video is so different, but I gotta do what I gotta do to be accountable. If not, you know, I'm gonna spend the money. Not even, because, you know, it's raining. But either way, I'm just gonna feel like I'm missing out on doing mini Mondays or whatever, you know. So yeah, it's okay. So that one got 1. So now we need 1, 2, 3, 4. So $4 more. Be done with that one. Okay, this one right here. Hold on, guys. Okay, this one right here has $1 left over, and it got $2. So now it has 3. So it's gonna have $1 left over again. So, oh, by the way, guys, you might hear the kiddos downstairs. Eric didn't go to school today because they canceled it due to the storm, to the tornado. They canceled it, and let me tell you, it's ugly outside. I would have not sent him to school either way. If you could see how ugly it looks, it's ugly. All right, so there's that, guys. So we have $1 again for the next one. Okay, awesome sus. All right, next here, this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, yay, an even number. 6, even number. So we're gonna do 3 of them, so that's exciting. Okay, so we got 2, 4, and 6. Oh my gosh, we're almost there. Let's say we're halfway. We're halfway there. You guys, I'm so hungry. Like, so hungry. Does anyone else get hungry early in the morning? Let me know. Because I do. I get hungry in the morning so much. Oh my gosh, the lighting looks so different. I hope it's okay. So I'm using my Minnie Mouse LD light because I didn't want to turn on the light, because if I turn on the light, it's just gonna look orangey. So that's why. But you know, it is what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got 5 for the tooth, and we can definitely do 5 tooths because each tooth is $1. So we're gonna do 5 tooth. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woohoo! It looks ugly, but it's okay. We're not here to color that one. But it's okay. It does its job. Okay, and this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 left, you guys. I was gonna go to the post office today to drop off the pen pal group mail, and yeah, no, there's no way. I don't even think they're probably open today. Probably they were gonna open, but after seeing how it was, yeah, because one of the girls that works there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one of the girls that works there, she lives in a different city, and her yesterday, because we got the text message and call yesterday, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we're gonna do 3 coffee, and we have $1 left over. Where she lives, the school area, there were actually 3-hour delays, so they were supposed to actually go in right now. So I just woke up. I actually went back to sleep early. I was going to record the video, but then I got lazy and I went back to sleep. And so where she's from, where she lives at, they're supposed to be going to school 3 hours delayed, right? But oh my goodness, I'm sure they probably got a text message saying that they were not going to school or something, because it is ugly outside, you guys. I'm sure you can hear the thunder. And it is lightning like crazy. So yeah, all right, so this one got only 3 little coffee, and we have $1 left over. We still got a while to go. And yeah, okay, next gonna be this Hello Kitty one, and I think I only got $1. Yes, I only got $1. So hey, we got $1 left over. No, there's $1 left over from last time. Yay! So we get to color a 2. We get to color a 2. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay, that worked out. All right, so look at that, you guys. We're halfway through almost all of the challenges. Hopefully they get a little bit of love by Wednesday, which is Freaky Wednesday. So excited. So yeah, there you have it. Easy peasy, super quick and fun video. Hopefully you guys like that. A little bit different with the lighting and everything else in the background, you name it. Oh my gosh, this lighting's so bad. All right guys, well, let's put those bad boys up, and hope to see you guys back again tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow it's a beautiful day. I will be doing cash stuffing Tuesday tomorrow. I don't have a lot of money, I'll be honest with you. So spring break here in Alabama, everybody goes to the beach, the lake, you name it. So everybody leaves. And so, you know, if you're new here, I'm a server, and so work has been extremely slow. So I don't have that much money to play with or cash stuff. And yeah, so there's that. So for tomorrow, for cash stuff, and Tuesday, I don't have a lot of money to cash stuff, like not even $100. But that's okay. It's my journey, and you guys are seeing it. And that's just how it is, you know. It is what it is. Nothing we can do about it. So yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Your time is precious. You know that. And I appreciate it for you giving it to me. And yeah. And I see you guys back again tomorrow. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much. You have a great Monday. Stay safe. Stay warm. Bye. See you.